Welcome to the Polystein Kit Maker how-to video. An important note for this toolkit is that it requires William Vaughn's Polystein Preset Kit. To install, place the Polystein Kit Maker into the Kits folder, Users folder, Kits, Restart Moto. A new icon will be added to the toolbar. This one here, orange and white. Click the button and drag the pop-up menu to the side. To quickly get started, you can use your own collection of meshes or click the Open Test Scene button. And this test scene has 7 meshes intended for becoming presets. There's nothing special about them other than each mesh is prepared and ready for the next step in becoming a preset. In the items list of the test scene, notice that there are spaces in the name. When the item is added to the kit, the spaces will be removed and replaced with underscores. Before we add the first preset, we need to configure the toolkit for the first mesh to be added. These 4 icons represent the 4 types of Polystein presets that can be made: standard, drop, polygonal, and y-axis. Okay, now that toolkit has been configured, select the first one, move to element mode, select the edges that need to be used for the preset. Click the Add Preset Kit Maker. Say OK. The first time the Add Preset button is clicked, the toolkit will add some additional items to the scene. It will add some locators, some lights, and camera, and mesh items for the overlays. Close this up, and we'll repeat the process. Okay, now that all the meshes are added to the toolkit, open a render preview window or camera view and make sure the camera is set to the camera render pass camera. Since I use Zen, I'll just use the Zen's render preview toggle button to bring up the needed viewports. Move this to the side, out of the way. I'm also going to open the render passes window using the show preset render passes. This button here. Open up the group, and open passes. And this is each preset configuration. From here, we're going to position the camera and lights for each preset as we select each pass in turn. We do this by selecting the mesh, Shift A, to center in the camera, and then move the camera view around. I'm going to repeat this for each preset. Okay, now that the camera and lights have been set for each preset, it's time to get ready to render. Inside the Output Options section, the 256x512 buttons represent a render size of either 256 by 256 or 512 by 512. The next row of colorful buttons allows you to select the background color. The gray button removes the background image and returns the render to default nothing. I'm going to use blue. The preset prefix allows you to create unique names for your preset kits. Finally, click Export Preset. Here you choose the location to save the presets and then click Choose. Presets will begin to render. Okay, the rendering is complete. You are done. All presets have been rendered and the image is saved. All presets have been exported and saved to file. And each preset has been stuffed with its rendered image. Don't believe me? Click the Show Polystein Preset browser. There you go. I hope by introducing this toolkit to your workflow, you are able to save lots of time and get back to modeling quicker.